Now in this question we have to find the coordinates of the point M. I have drawn a figure here. We have to find coordinates of point M, that is the foot of the perpendicular. Equation of AB is given according to the diagram, and we have to show that equation of PM is this one. Okay, this is the equation of PM, and finding the coordinates of the point M, then we have to find the length of, sorry, we have to show the length of the perpendicular as given in the question. Now so let's start it. Let M be the foot of perpendicular from point P and coordinates of P are 1, 6, 3. To the line AB, that is x upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Let this be number 1. Now coordinates of any journal point on line AB is given by x upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3 is equal to lambda. Okay. Now x is equal to lambda, y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 and z is equal to 3 lambda plus 2. Therefore, coordinates of M are, now coordinates of M are lambda, 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda plus 2. Equation number 2. Now direction ratios of PM are proportional to, now that are lambda minus 1. Now coordinates of point M and coordinates of point P, that is 1, 6 and 3. So lambda minus 1, then 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6, 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6, then 3 lambda plus 2 minus this 3. So this becomes lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 5 and 3 lambda minus 1. 3 lambda minus 1. Okay. Direction ratios of line PM, of line AB, of line AB are 1, 2, 3. Now, since PM is perpendicular to AB, therefore 1 times lambda minus 1 plus 2 times 2 lambda minus 5 plus 3 times 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Now let's solve it. Lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 9 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Now lambda, 4 lambda and 9 lambda. 14 lambda minus 1 minus 10 and minus 3 minus 14 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 1. Now coordinates of point M, putting lambda is equal to 1 in equation 2, coordinates of point M. Now these are M as, now lambda is 1, so 1 comma 3, 2 times 1 plus 1 and 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. So coordinates of point M is 1, 3 and 5. So this is one of the answer. Now equation of line PM, where coordinates of P are 1, 6 and 3 and coordinates of M are 1, 3 and 5. Now 2-point form we are having x minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 is equal to y minus 6 upon 5 minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is equal to z minus 3 upon 5 minus 3. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This is 2-point form. Hence required equation of line PM, it is x minus 1 upon 0, y minus 6 upon minus 3, z minus 3 upon minus 2. So let's check it. It is z minus 3, it is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So x minus 1 upon 0, x minus 1 upon 0, y minus 6 upon negative of 3, z minus 3 upon 2. So exactly same equation. Okay, proved. Then lastly we have to show that the length of the perpendicular. Now length of perpendicular, that is PM, is equal to, now again we are having coordinates P and M, so 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Now this is square root of 0 plus minus 3 square plus 2 square. This is a square root of 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Hence length of perpendicular is equal to square root of 13. Proved. So we have got the coordinates of point M. Here we have shown that the required equation of line PM is this one, and we have also shown that required perpendicular length is root square root